Hi crafters, it's Hannah from Handcrafted Creations. Welcome to my channel today. This is the card that I'm going to be showing you how to make today. It's an absolutely gorgeous card and we're going to be using the new Love What You Do stamp set and some of the Speciality Designer Series paper that goes along with this suite. So if you haven't seen the suite yet, I will link to the video where I unboxed it so you can get to see it all there as well. And there's what was I going to say? I can't remember. Yeah, we'll just get started. So to start off, I've already cut out a bunch of flowers from the paper pack that goes with this bundle, the Share What You Love Designer Series, Speciality Designer Series paper. So one of the sheets got a load of flowers, so I've just fussy cut those out, and basically that's the majority of the card made. So I've got a Grapefruit Grove card base, then a layer of Rich Raspberry. I couldn't think then. So I'm just going to stick this layer down, and I've just got some tape here. So, whoops, this is going to get stuck down. Whoops. So we've got a nice big border around this one, and then I've got a strip of that Designer Series paper that I'm going to stick about there, and I want it to go across the length of the whole card. Oh, I don't want that side. No, that side, because it kind of looks like grass. Yeah, that side. So if I just stick a line of tape across there, then I can just stick that down into it, because I mean this is only an inch wide, so it doesn't need a lot. I'm using the grid paper to get my lines straight, and about there. Then I can trim the ends off. There. Beautiful. Now I'm going to place some of these. I've got an oval from the layering ovals thinlits, so this is going to go about there. Some of the flowers I want behind, some I want in front, but I think I'll do the stamping on it first just to make sure I've got enough room for everything. So I've got the Love What You Do stamp set, and I want this big splodge. I've got that there, and I'll just move that there. Right, so I've got Grapefruit Grove, and I basically just want the edge to sort of go like that. So I'm just going to stamp, I'm going to stamp off and then splodge like so. Do I want it that way? No, that way is better. So we've got that. Then, oh, I forgot to get Blackberry Bliss. Let me just go and grab that 1 second. Which raspberry even, not Blackberry Bliss. I haven't got Blackberry Bliss. So I just want the thank you from the stamp set. And I am going to stamp sort of down on the right hand corner, so about there, like so. Whoops. my chair's going all over the place. So I was thinking to add a couple of little leaves, and I think I will. So I've got old olive, and I'm just going to add a couple. So I'll stamp once, stamp it again, and then stamp it a third time. So you kind of get the 3 shades, and I think I'll do the same down here. So stamp once, stamp it again, and stamp it again. Whoops. Yeah, I like that. That looks good. I really like that leaf. He's so cute. Okay. Ouch. Right, so some of the flowers will go behind. So I think I'll sort of arrange it how I want it to go, and then put it together. So the bigger one's probably best at the back. No, that one definitely should be there. Then that one does look good there. I mean, some could go below as well. They don't all have to go at the top. So I think that one might actually look better down there. And maybe like so. Might not need all of these as well. So I've done quite a few. So I think those 3 definitely should be at the back. So I can do that bit and then carry on from there. Oops. Yeah, I like that. So if I just put a couple of strips of tape, and then place where I want them to go. And then that one about there. Yep, that looks good. I wonder if it needs... No, that's good as it is. So then I'll just add a bit more tape. Whoops. Oh. That didn't go well, did it? There. That'll do. So now I can stick this down about there, and then we can add some more around it. I probably won't need all of these that I've cut out. Let's look. Maybe, yeah, that one there, that looks nice. And maybe like that. I'm gonna pop these up as well, I think. So there's just so much to choose from, it's hard to decide. So I know I want that little one there anyway, so I'll do that one. And then so that one there, definitely. Can you tell I'm indecisive? No. No, no, no. Ooh. Oh, that's nice, I think. Darn it. Okay, I think I'm just going to go with those 3. Yeah, let's just do it, because otherwise I will be here all day. And nobody wants that. Pop that one there. And that one there. You know what, actually, I think that would be better just stuck on top like that and not popped up, you see. So if I just grab a dab of glue, there. Hands are shaking. Okay, so I think I'm done. I might just grab some bling to put on it just to finish it off. I'll just grab some. I've just grabbed some of the Share What You Love artisan pearls, and I think I might go for some of the green ones. Just a couple dotted about. Whoops, these are so dinky and cute. They're adorable. And let's see. Isn't it weird how you have to get your pearls positioned in just the right spot, otherwise it just looks weird. There. I know the sun's coming in now. That's the thing, it gets to this time of day I can't actually film because of the sun. But there you go. Oh, that kind of looks a little bit magical with the sunlight. Ah. Right, so that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this week of projects using the Love What You Do stamp set. You can get this set now as there's the bundle, or you can get it on its own, and it will be available in the new annual catalogue, which if you need one then let me know, because I can put one in the post for you as well. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.